Okay, I think this is another question from KH. Want to take a look at the SKP, how to avoid this sort of the force breakout. So, I mean, before you're asking how to avoid this sort of the force breakout, first, where exactly is the entry? Do we have any valid entry for SKP resources? I mean, that the answer is no for SKP resources. If you just base on this daily chart here, because there isn't any commitment above this swing point or the pivot point here, so there isn't any type of the entry. However, if you use the hourly time frame, you probably have probably this, that could be your entry if you rely on the hourly time frame. But look at the close, this 4 o'clock, yeah. So eventually it just sort of break below. So if you rely on a breakout, then that is your stop. You need to get out because it just did not really commit above the breakout here. And if you look closer, there's a lot of the supply here. So previous day, the last hourly candle, the 4 p.m. candle, that comes with supply. But on this first hourly candle, there's even more supply. But eventually, we see that there is this sell down, supply increasing. So overall, there is a lot of the supply presence. So I did not really have any SKP resources, but I do have the SKP resources warrant. I have exited. So that's purely because I see that there is a lot of the excessive supply right there. So it might need to spend some more time just hanging around with this backup action. So might want to do something like this until we see that supply will be decreased. So definitely at the moment, a lot of the supply showing up this bar and also this second bar as well. So just based on the supply level, I see that supply is still excessive, so it's not a right time for it to break out. So I have took profit for my SKP resources warrant.